Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Threads app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then type in Threads. Once you do that, tap on the app, and then if you have downloaded the app, simply tap on the get or download option, and once it's downloaded, what you need to do is just simply open up your Threads app. Here you'll have different options like posting a photo, pictures, or voice ID, or you can repost the post that you like by simply tapping on this repost button right here. You can save it as well. Now explore more by simply tapping on the magnifying icon on the bottom, and here you can also check the pages that you want to follow as well, and on tapping the notification here, if the people have followed you back or have liked your post, the notifications will be displayed right here, or the person you have followed on your threads will also be created a post or a note or a thread, then you will be notified in your notification sections as well. You can also toggle from follows, replies, mentions as well. And now you can also simply tap on this plus icon right here, and then you can add a thread by simply typing hey as well, or just simply add a photo as well. And then all you gotta do now is just simply tap on post, and that's basically how you can do it, and that's how you use Threads. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.